Today, I'm going to show you how to change your life by organizing your projects with a super simple system. After watching this video, you will not be able to look at a project the same way again. I'm revealing 5 questions every homeschool mom must ask before starting a project. A mind-blowing concept on how to organize your projects and how this 3-step strategy works best for homeschooling moms. But first, let's start with what a project really is. Think of each task that you have to do like a puzzle piece. Some fit easily into your daily routines, but a project is kind of like a special, bigger puzzle piece. It needs more attention and it doesn't blend in as easily. And in order to identify whether a task is a project, we ask ourselves these 5 questions. Can it be finished in a set time? Does it have several steps? Does it require more thinking than usual? Is it different from your everyday tasks? And do you know what it should look like when it is finished? If all these questions are yes, then it goes on your current project list. Now, if you'd like to utilize this sheet and the other sheets that I'm going to be talking about, well, make sure you subscribe because this is a part of my new mom planner called The Organized Mom. And I will have way more information coming out next week in which I break down the planner. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that video when it comes out. With all that said, let's give a practical example. Let's break down these 5 questions together. So we are coming up on curriculum buying season in the next couple of months. So is figuring out what curriculum we need to get for our kiddos and organizing the curriculum for next year, is that a project or is that something that belongs on our daily tasks list? Now, the first question says, can it be finished in a set time? Yes. We like to curriculum shop all year long, but technically we can finish curriculum shopping by a set time. Second question, does it have several steps? Yep. I got to figure out what's working, what's not working. I've got to do research on different new curriculum that we might want to try to find something that's working better. Yes, it requires several steps. The third question is, does it require more thinking than usual? Yeah. Yes. All that stuff that I just said before. Lots more thinking than usual. And is it different from your everyday tasks? Unfortunately, as much as I would love to research curriculum as a part of my everyday tasks, yes, curriculum shopping and curriculum buying is different from my everyday tasks. And the fifth question, do you know what it looks like when this is finished? Yes, all my kids will have their curriculum in and we'll be ready to start. So yes, curriculum shopping is considered a project. But now you've got all these projects on your project list. How do you organize it? What do you do with this? Let's dive in as if we were chefs preparing a gourmet meal. All right. The first thing you're going to do is list all your ingredients. Write down all your projects. We will try not to tackle more than 6 projects at a time. We are finite beings with finite amount of time, so we try not to do too much so that way we can actually accomplish our projects. Next, we're going to set a 5 to 10 minute timer and we're going to brain dump underneath each project and list what we need to do in order to accomplish the project. So just like a chef lists out every step that they need in order to create their meal, we are pretty much doing the same thing. This way, we're breaking down the projects into more manageable pieces, making it easier to cook up. See what I did there? So have you ever heard the saying that talks about eating an elephant one bite at a time? Comment down below. Let me know if you've heard of it. My friends and I are constantly that is a saying that we say almost every single day. We're just going to tackle our crazy to-do lists one bite at a time. But all that to say, that is exactly how we tackle our current projects. By listing all the actions that you need in order to accomplish your current project, you take that giant elephant and you turn it into bite-sized pieces. You take all these next actions and you organize them into what needs to be done first, second, third, making sure that each action is not more than 10 minutes long. Now, with just 10 minutes a day, you're steadily working towards completing these huge projects and transforming your life one small, manageable step at a time. As homeschooling moms who are not just stay-at-home moms or not just working moms, but also responsible for educating our kiddos, this is an actual, simple, doable way that you can accomplish your projects without it being so time consuming, and with it being simple and easy and friendly for a busy homeschool mom's schedule and a mom who's trying to juggle all these different things. Adapting this project approach is perfect for achieving your goals, especially with the new year rolling in. And if you're thinking, hey, Wendy, I don't even have my New Year's goals sorted out yet, and I don't even know where to begin, don't worry. This is a team effort, a collaboration full of homeschooling moms talking about their New Year's goals, resolutions, and so much more. Just click on this playlist right here and get some inspiration and ideas. Let's tackle these goals together.